Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I gotta be kind of quiet because it's like 10:30 at night and I just got home from work. But tomorrow I am so ecstatic and it's so excited. We are going to the Renaissance Fair and we are all dressing up and I am so pumped. This is my first ever Renaissance Fair and Emily, my sister, and her boyfriend Hunter are meeting us there at the Renaissance Fair. They're not dressing up because they want to go hiking afterwards, but oh my god, I'm so excited. So I will see you in the morning for an update. Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. We're getting ready and packing up the car to go to the Renaissance Fair. It's like 3 hours away, so we got a lot of driving to do. So I'll see you in the car. We're here. There, ready?
The ladies think that's her actual shape. Nope, I got legs.
Welcome to the fair! Now sing the song. Shall we dance?
The writing or the money in your wallets. So, we ask you to please open your hearts and, of course, your wallets.
Okay, let's go.
And rather expensive, so beer and cider are probably better choices for this. So that's item one, eat and drink well.
You can't make this up, lords and ladies. You really can't. As I introduce them to you, I want you to cheer loudly for them. Remember, we went over this cheering thing before. I want to hear you all.
The St. Norbert.
My lords and ladies, on my left, that's most of your rights. Some of them are kind of, yeah. In the green and black, representing England and hailing from the Tower of Power, we have our good Lord Gower! Yes, I like to say Germany. It's like the first thing I said was Germanic lands, Teutonic night. Oh yes, it's Germany. We have Samaras! Luke! Leon! Get up! Get up!
Kind of vlogging for the day. We just finished at the Ren Fair and now we're at Devil's Lake. We're gonna take a picture and then we're gonna go home. But today was a great day. I love the Renaissance Fair even though it was my first time. But next time I won't wear such a poofy dress because a lot of people were stepping on it. But lesson learned. So I'll see you when I get home. everyone, we're home. Welcome back. So I wanted to show you what I got at the Renaissance Fair today. And super fun, and I will go back next year. First thing I want to show you is all of my stones that I got. Starting with this purple fluorite I found. It's really pretty. It looked like amethyst at first, and then I read the label and it said fluorite, so I got this one. Next one, I got a moonstone. It's like this gray periwinkle color. It's really pretty, and I cannot wait to use that one. The next one is my howlite. Just a little one, just a little howlite cube. The other one, the last small one I got is this beautiful Calulite or Sinnite one. It's very pretty. It reminds me of what the moon looks like, even though it's not like a moonstone, but I really love this one. And then for the finale of my crystals, I bought this Selenite crystal ball. It's semi-big. It's about as big as my palm, but it's has a lot of detail in it that I really like, and I cannot wait to use this for divination. So that's pretty exciting for that. So for my next item, I got this cute little wand, this crystal end wand, and it smells like apple. So I'm really excited to use this. It's already charged under the moon, so it's already good to go. That's what the vendor lady said, so I cannot wait to use this on the next full moon. And then finally, I got this dragon kind of bookend, and I've seen these online and they're a lot more expensive, and I absolutely love it. I'm probably gonna put this as either a centerpiece for my altar. All right, everyone, that was my Renaissance Day, and I hope you enjoyed it. And there's a special clip of us going to Devil's Lake right after, so I hope you enjoy that too. Sister and I have a store that we run on Etsy, and I'll put it in the description down below. And I hope you'll come back for another video. I know it's been a while since I posted, but better late than never. So I hope to see you again, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.